welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewer, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, today we are going to discuss about also Rabby Wallet, and in this video we are going to take the backup of private key of our wallet. Yes, if you have already imported your account with private key, you can also take the backup. Sometimes your private key is misplaced, so you don't need to take attention. You just simple open your Rabby Wallet and get back your private key backup. So how can I do? This is so simple and easy. So please must watch this video till end. This video is going to very informative for you. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So as you can see here, I have uploaded many videos about Rabby Wallet in my YouTube channel. Simple go to my YouTube channel, and after that just simple click on video portion, and you can see here you can get the more information about Rabby Wallet. And in last video we have import an account with private key in our Rabby Wallet. So today we are going to get the backup of our private key. So please must watch. Okay. So you can see here right top corner Rabby Wallet I have installed in my browser extension, and today need to get the private key. Simple click on it. I have already logged in my account. If you have not logged in, so you just simple enter your password, and after that your wallet will be logged in, and you can see here the main interface will be shown in front of you. And this wallet I have imported with the private key. You can see here the wallet name is MetaMask wallet. In last video I have import my MetaMask wallet with private key, and let's suppose I have misplaced my wallet private key, so I need to again get the backup of private key from the Rabby wallet. So what will I do? Simple is that there is shown your wallet name, which is I have selected in my last video. Simple, you just click on it, and after that you can see here there's one wallet shown here because I have import with our private key. So if you need to get the backup of your private key, simple is that you just click on this play button, and then you can see here the more information will be open front of you, and I have write the name in last video. This is my wallet address of my MetaMask address, and there's QR code. Source is imported by private key. This is the source of my wallet, which is I have import with MetaMask. And let's suppose I need to again get the backup of private key, so you can use backup private key, the second last option. Simple click on it, and after that you just need to enter your password here because this video is very sensitive. So you need to enter your password here. Now click on confirm button. So you can see the private key is the traditional to your assets. Do not lose it or reveal it others. Otherwise, you might lose your asset forever. Please view it in a secure environment and keep it carefully. So viewers, keep in your mind before going to show your private key or your phrases, you must check nobody around with you, because if you share your private key with anyone or phrases, so your fund will be lost. So keep in your mind, don't share your private key, don't share your phrases with other one. So there's two options available. First option, click show the private key QR code, and second option is click to show private key. So if I'm going to click show the private key QR code, you also take the screenshot of this QR code. Let's suppose you want to find the private key from the QR code. Simple download the application QR code scanner in your mobile. When application will be open, so your mobile back camera will be open, and when you scan this QR code, so your private key will be shown on your mobiles. So this is also very easy way to find your private key if you have a QR code. So I recommend it to you. When you are going to save your all information, you must also take the screenshot of your QR code. And second option is available here. Click here, click to show the private key. Simple click on it, and you can see here the private key is shown here. Just simple copy and open the notepad file and simple type here MetaMask private key. I have write down and just simple paste here. And before going to save this notepad file, simple cross check first two digits and last two digits. You can see it. First two digits 0x and also shown as 0x, and last two digits 06 means my private key is correct. After stop this video, I will save this private key in my this laptop, and also I will write this private key in my personal diary, and also I will make the print of this private key, because you must have your phrases or your private key multiple copy. Sometimes your one copy will misplace, so you can use other copies. Okay, and I will also take the screenshot of this QR code when I will stop this video, because this also QR code will help for me if I'm going to find my private key. So if I need to use this, so I must have a QR code scanner software in my mobile. So yes, I hope you properly understand how can you find the backup, how can you find or backup your private key from the Rabby wallet. This is so simple and easy. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And let's suppose you face the problem like a deposit, withdrawal, find private key, or you can get the any information about any wallet. So you can simple comments below this video, or you can directly mail to me. My email address cryptowallsinfo@gmail.com. And you can also get more information about cryptocurrency wallets. Simple click on my YouTube channel. After that, click on playlist, and then you can see here I have uploaded many wallets tutorial on this YouTube channel. Simple visit and get the all information according to your cryptocurrency wallets. Okay viewers, so as you have properly understand, so we will meet you in new video. Bye bye.